done a bacterial catalyst installation. As you can see right there, it's in, and it's aerating. It's good bubble in it. I love the way these things work. Now, if you notice right here, I don't usually leave my filters like this. I usually put a different filter in, etc., etc. This one has its own special filter T-assembly or solid deflection device right here. So that filter doesn't fit in the regular T's that we normally use. So since I didn't have a different filter, I had to put this back in temporarily, and then we'll just put a new one in, which will make this better, and I'll go into more detail how I do that. And then over here is the aerator, and that's all it runs off of. It's a little alarm so when it goes off so you can replace it. And it really depends where you're at in the country. Right now we're here in Florida, so those things get replaced a little bit more than they would, say, if they were in a basement up north. And it's only because of the heat. The heat just wears out the diaphragms. So anyway, see, that's where we drilled our line, put our hose pipe in, and that's it. Pretty fairly simple installation, and this really will help save the drain field and major costs down the road.